Hey everyone, welcome back to Apptrove's YouTube channel, where we break down complex mobile marketing strategies into actionable insights for app owners and marketers. Today, we are diving deep into cohort reporting, one of the most powerful tools you can use to optimize campaigns, boost retention, and maximize lifetime value. So, what exactly is cohort reporting? In simple terms, it's the process of grouping users based on when they first engaged with your app, like the day they installed it or re-engaged after a campaign. By doing this, you can track their behavior over time and see how effective your campaigns really are. Think of it as slicing your user base into smaller, more meaningful segments so you can make data-driven decisions that improve ROI. Cohort reporting isn't just a fancy dashboard feature, it's a must-have for any serious mobile marketer. Here's why. First, it helps you improve user acquisition efficiency by identifying high-performing channels when you compare lifetime value, retention, and ROI across campaigns. Second, it enhances retention analysis by pinpointing drop-off points when you look at retention metrics like day 1, day 7, and day 30. And third, it helps you maximize lifetime value by tracking how much value your users generate over time and even forecasting future returns. Inside Apptrove, cohort reporting comes with three powerful views that help you analyze campaigns from different angles. The unified view combines data from user acquisition and retargeting campaigns for a complete picture. The user acquisition view focuses only on new installs and how those fresh users behave over time. And the retargeting view tracks users who return via re-engagement or re-attribution campaigns. Now let's talk metrics, because this is where the magic happens. Installs tell you how many users downloaded your app. Retention rate shows the percentage of users who come back on day 1, day 7, and day 30. ARPU and lifetime value measures profitability. ROI and ROAS show how much you are getting back from every dollar spent. Sessions and events reveal engagement patterns that show app stickiness. And uninstalls help you spot issues early when users drop off. With Apptrove, you can choose different cohort time periods: daily, weekly, monthly, even hourly. This flexibility lets you zoom in on early engagement patterns or zoom out to see long-term trends. Here's where it gets really exciting: pairing cohort reporting with conversion funnels. Funnels help you visualize user journeys step by step. For example, from app launch to completing an in-app purchase. By combining funnels with cohorts, you can identify exactly where users are dropping off and fix those friction points. Cohort reporting is more than just analytics. It's your roadmap to higher ROI, better retention, and smarter budget allocation. And with Apptrove, you get a cohort dashboard that's intuitive, customizable, and built for modern mobile marketers. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Apptrove channel, and check out the link in the description for more resources. Until next time, keep optimizing.